Anhydrous sodium sulfate is a white, crystalline inorganic compound known for its exceptional ability to absorb water and maintain chemical stability across a broad range of industrial processes. Widely used as a drying agent in both laboratories and large-scale manufacturing, this compound plays a crucial role in removing trace amounts of moisture from organic solutions and chemical mixtures. Its anhydrous form, devoid of water molecules, offers consistent performance in applications where even minor moisture contamination can compromise product integrity. In the detergent industry, it acts as a filler and flow agent, improving the texture and bulk of powdered laundry formulations while ensuring homogeneous mixing of active ingredients. In the glass manufacturing sector, anhydrous sodium sulfate serves as a fluxing agent, helping to remove small air bubbles and refine the molten glass, resulting in clearer and more durable finished products. Furthermore, its use in textile dyeing and printing helps regulate dye absorption, enhancing color vibrancy and fixation on fabrics. The compound's thermal and chemical resilience also makes it a favorable choice in paper pulping, chemical synthesis, and leather processing. In addition to its functional properties, anhydrous sodium sulfate is valued for its economic efficiency, environmental friendliness, and compatibility with a wide array of chemical substances. It is non-toxic, non-flammable, and stable under most storage conditions, making it easy to handle and transport. In agriculture, it finds occasional use as a soil amendment to improve sodium levels in deficient areas, while in pharmaceuticals, it is involved in the formulation of certain laxatives and analytical reagents. Its recyclability and reusability, especially in closed-loop industrial systems, contribute to sustainable manufacturing practices. On a global scale, it is produced both naturally, through mining of the mineral mirabilite, and synthetically as a byproduct of various chemical processes, ensuring steady availability for diverse markets. As industries continue to seek efficiency, consistency, and cost-effectiveness, anhydrous sodium sulfate remains a quiet yet indispensable component, supporting a wide spectrum of operations, with its simple yet powerful chemical nature.